Welcome to Grow with Yatin Malik. I'm Yatin, your pre-construction advisor, and today we're going to discuss about reasons to buy in Alba Condos, Mississauga. So let's get into it. Number one, location. Location continues to be the single most important factor when purchasing real estate, and Alba does not disappoint. It is perfectly situated in the center of Mississauga, close to its own growing city center, Cooksville Mobility Hub, and South Mississauga, with easy access to lakes, parks, and trail. Located at 1 Fairview Road East on the northeast corner of Fairview and Ontario, the Yonge Street of Mississauga, Alba is the most connected address in Mississauga. Number 2. Alba is in the heart of the transit heaven. Only 7-minute walk to the Cooksville Go Mobility Hub. The Ontario LRT stop will be right at your front door, allowing easy access to Mississauga's waterfront or only a few steps to Square One. Steps to 7 different MyWay travel routes. Only 4 minutes to the flourishing city center, 12 minutes to Canada's largest airport, Pearson International, and easy access to 7 major highways connecting you to anywhere in the GTA. Number 3. Massive growth. With Mississauga's population expected to grow by over 100,000 people over the next 20 years, the city is on a trajectory for massive transformation and growth. Over 18 million square feet of development coming to downtown Mississauga and over 6,000 residential units to be built in only 1 kilometer radius of Alba. Alba is the perfect investment located central to not one but two burgeoning communities, having the benefit of capitalizing on existing and future amenities while being the epicenter and the most connected to transit, employment, and area growth. Number 4. Employment hub. Properties located in areas that have good employment prospects have always been in demand and have shown substantial increases in property values over the years. With this demand, these locations typically see significant development in many areas such as retail, commercial, residential, and hospitality. Mississauga is recognized by Forbes as Canada's best employer and home to 75 Fortune 500 companies and 98,000 registered businesses. Its employment market is forecasted to grow from 477,000 to 590,100 jobs by 2051, a 24% increase. And Alba being located at the center of Mississauga, it is surrounded by growing employment hub. So these are the reasons why Alba is a great investment opportunity, and for your future home, this would be a perfect residence. If you want your money to grow over time in pre-construction, then I think this is one of a very good projects. To know more about this project or invest, or if you want any pre-construction advice, connect with me on any of my social media channels. My number to text is 647-949-4497, and hope you have subscribed to this channel. Thank you and have a good day.